Alright. Crank it?
Cranky.
Nothing, right?
Nothing, no lights, nothing.
No crank at all, right? Let it go, crank it again? Alright. Okay, watch this. On here. Alright, this is what we did.
Hello, cameraman.
Basically what we did was, there's no crank at all, okay, right? Nothing at all. I'm gonna cross the battery. See the battery's holding that 12.6. Don't crank it right now. 12.6, right? Now crank it.
Crank it.
Crank it. See, no drop, no nothing,
not
no
pulling
move,
nothing?
like an open circuit, nothing, right? And so I went to do a voltage drop, check the ground. So I went from here to here. Look, I'm on ground. Look at the battery. See it? It's zero. That makes no sense. Like it has no ground. Now go back here. See, ground, 12.6. Alright? I go to the frame, it's gone. I mean, it's gone. There's nothing. There's no ground at all. So this is on the safe side. I know it ain't this, but I did a bunch of across this. I'm supposed to see zero. I'm going across here and here. Because at the start we had nothing either. That's how we got here. At the start we had nothing down there. So I go across here, crank it.
Crank it.
See, that's supposed to be zero, no loss. Because there's no resistance there. Ain't supposed to be no resistance there. In Ohm's law, voltage push current through a resistor, there should be no resistance right here. But now, let's come over here. I go this connection and this connection. Oops, reverse. Crank it.
Crank it.
That's cranking. It's right here. Well, right here. This voltage. Get it right here. This resistance right here is taking up 12 volts. Assuming this negative cable is taking up 12 volts. Let's supposed to do the same thing here. Like this. It says 0, but this one is 12. Alright, so we're gonna take this either this cable got corroded or you knocked the cable off down there somewhere. Something happened. So we're gonna check that. Alright, turn it on. I still got to check that. Yeah.
Hell no. You can get this side. Got it? Snap it off. Do it with your finger first. Do it with your finger first.
That's not the one, right?
No. Hey.
Mr. Davis. Sorry, Mr.
Hold this.